What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on DWAC ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, somewhere at this point, and I've told you that we had very good movement to the upside, and this movement had a huge volume, and this means we might see a trend continuation. And according to my Elliott wave theory breakdown, we should have one more leg to the upside, and as you can see, we hit exactly the range of resistance that I marked previously, because it was our previously marked top of the wave, and we have this retracement for now. So to be more precise, I encourage you to enter the position at the levels of 0.382, 0.5 and the golden pocket, and in this case your average price should be around $56, and if you enter your position right here, your potential profits to this top might be up to 31%, and to our current price about 20% during just several sessions, and it's very good movement. So let me mark the bottom of our fourth wave right here and the top of our fifth wave right here. So congratulations to all of you who took this trade, and what should we expect next I will show you in my technical analysis, but for now let's continue with the fundamental news. So right here we don't have any numbers related to this company, because the DWAC corporation is a blank check company that was made for the purposes of a merger. That's why we cannot rely on any numbers right here. On top of that, we cannot rely on any fundamental news related to the company itself. It will be a social truth mass media backed by Mr. Donald Trump. The only main catalyst that this company has for now is Mr. Donald Trump himself. And that's why we have these massive spikes in prices, and that's why we have the potential that this company will skyrocket if the social media of Mr. Donald Trump will become a reality. So let me show you that in general, during last session we have a bloodbath around all the markets, and as you can see, top major companies are in red. And that's why we have to be cautious. And the reason of this massive sell-off is right here. On January 13th, we have this article that is titled "Fed's Harper calls for action on inflation, sees 3 or 4 rate hikes likely this year." And the key points are following. Philadelphia Fed President Patrick Harker said Thursday he sees 3 or 4 interest rate hikes this year as likely to fight inflation. The policy tightening would be in response to inflation that is running at the highest level in nearly 40 years. While Harker expressed support for hikes and the end of monthly bond purchases, he favors waiting before decreasing the Federal Reserve's $8.8 trillion balance sheet. So, definitely this news has the extremely negative reaction from the markets, and that's why we have a lot of bearish pressure on the market right now. So let me show you that according to ApeWisdom.io, Digital World Acquisition Company is on the 18th place, and it lost about 13 places during last 24 hours. It has 106 mentions with 382 upvotes, and the number of mentions is lower than it was previously for 28%. So, as you can see, this company is losing its momentum, and it's quite obvious because we have to have the retracement to retrace the entire movement from this bottom to this top. And as you can see, this movement was for about 62%. So, and let me show you this article. It was published just 2 days ago, and it's titled DWAC Stock Alert: Why Trump's Digital World Acquisition is Causing a Rumble Today. Trump's stock are on the move after day-strong reports from video partner Rumble. So, and what was the reason of this movement? It is likely due to an announcement from conservative YouTube alternative Rumble. Yesterday, January the 10th, the official Rumble Twitter tweeted out that the chief executive of Rumble, Chris Pavlovsky, will be going live on Tim Pool's podcast, Timecast. Pool hosts a very popular streaming program and will apparently deep dive into Rumble's newfound popularity. Speaking of which, ever since announcing the partnership with former President Trump's media company, Rumble's viewing numbers have skyrocketed. Just today, the company released an article informing fans of its transformative user growth. And they said, today the online video platform Rumble announced that it reached new highs for user engagement during the week of January the 3rd to January the 9th, 2022. The company posted record weekly video bandwidth consumption and also saw the most ever videos uploaded to the platform in a week. It seems Rumble, which is going public via its own SPAC merger with CF Acquisition, has a mutually beneficial relationship with DWAC. And I have to say that as long as Mr. Donald Trump will continue his efforts to support this news media, Rumble and the DWAC corporation itself will have a huge bullish pressure, and this means we might rely on this company as at least a medium-term investment. So, let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next from the price action? As you can see, we completed all 5 wave structure, and this means we have to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom of entire wave to the top of entire movement, because 5 waves on a smaller scale, it is only 1 wave on a greater scale. And we have following targets. As you can see, for now we already hit the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level. It is the price point of $67.58. And we have not more than 10% probability to have a trend reversal from this point and to hit higher targets. Next one, the target of 0.382 Fibonacci retracement. It is a price point of $63.36. And as you can see right here, the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level at roughly $60 price point, 59.95, is a confluence with our previous range that I marked somewhere in the past, and it worked perfectly well as well. And this means this confluence level might be your accumulation point. So don't get me wrong. These ranges are only the levels that we might hit within next several sessions, and you have to remember that usually the retracement should have a shape of simple zigzag, and this means we might have something like this, and we might hit lower targets. And for those of you who want to invest in this company, in my opinion, you have to wait until we'll hit lower price points, because our major accumulation target that I marked previously is right here, in between $42.5 and $45. This is the perfect accumulation point for those of you who want to invest in this company, because these movements to the upside are not the best beginning of the new uptrend. It is just the reaction of a market to different news related to this company. That's why we have to be cautious, and that's why we have to benefit only for the short period of time with these movements. But for the long term, you have to accumulate your position on lower levels, and these levels are below $45. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!